Hey guys, this is Rob with ABW Appliances, and today we have Kelly Tensei. We want to tell you about what's happening this Saturday at ABW Appliances. We have Kelly's Cookie Challenge. Now Kelly, tell me a little bit more about how it was started.
Well, ABW's Kelly's Cookie Challenge came about, we were building out our Silver Spring showroom.
Okay.
And we realized how many appliances we were going to have that were going to be live. And we just were talking about it and thinking, what could we do with all these live appliances? And we decided to do a charity bake-off.
Nice. So it kind of was an idea, then from there went to a competition, but then now it's greater than that, right?
So much bigger than that. I think a lot of our community and our trade community looks forward to this as well, to come down and help out. But it is, every year we've done, it's the 5th year.
Okay.
And every year we've collected about $10,000 on average.
Each event.
Wow. For 5 different local charities. So it's been an amazing journey with this event. So this year we are joining with the Ulman Foundation.
Okay.
And 50% of the proceeds will go to them. Then the other 50% will go to the winning cookies team's charity of choice.
I see. And this particular event is open to anyone, is that right?
It's open to anyone. The public can come down. Anybody can come down and have cookies, buy cookies, drinks. We'll have food. It'll be a lot of fun.
I see. So this is definitely a great event for everyone to be part of here at the ABW Appliances North Bethesda showroom. Great food, great drinks, cookies of course, great environment. Make sure you can make it this Saturday. Go to abwappliances.com under the event and make sure you sign up. Thank you and have a nice day.